In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from Google Pay to PayPal because these two services don't support a direct transfer. The reliable approach is to move your Google Pay balance to a bank account first and then add that money from the same bank into PayPal. I'll walk you through each step clearly and point out timing and fee notes so you know what to expect. First, a quick heads up. As of 2026, you can't move funds straight from a Google Pay balance to PayPal. The bank account acts as the bridge. To begin, open a browser and visit the Google Wallet website, then sign in. Make sure you can see your Google Pay balance and that a bank account is already linked to your profile. If you have more than one bank account, note which one is also linked to your PayPal. In Google Wallet, go to Payment Methods or Balance, select your Google Pay balance, and choose Transfer Out. If you don't see that option, switch to the desktop web view and try again. When prompted, enter the amount you want to move. Select your linked bank account, the same one you plan to use on PayPal, and confirm the details before submitting the transfer. Transfers from Google Pay to a bank typically take 1 to 5 business days and are generally free. Processing times can vary by bank and may pause over weekends or holidays. Keep notifications on or check your bank activity so you'll know the moment the deposit arrives. Once the funds appear in your bank account, head over to PayPal and sign in. Go to Wallet and click Transfer Money. From there, select Add Money to your balance. When you're asked to choose a funding source, pick that same bank account you just used for the Google Pay withdrawal so the money completes the round trip cleanly. Enter the amount you'd like to move into PayPal. Matching the amount that arrived from Google Pay keeps your records simple. Then review and confirm. PayPal will initiate the bank transfer, which usually takes 1 to 5 business days as well, depending on your bank's processing schedule. That's the full workflow. For a smooth experience, make sure the bank account is active and in your name on both services, that your profile details like legal name and country match, and that you have enough balance before each transfer. With this two-step method, Google Pay to bank, then bank to PayPal, you'll get your money where you need it, reliably and with minimal hassle.